Hello, today I will be showing you how to download and use the Pines app. First, you will need to locate and open your device's App Store. For Android and Google-powered devices, you will need to look for the Play Store. Look for a search bar and type in Pines. Pines, Georgia should pop up. Click Download and Open. To log into Pines, use your entire library card number and the PIN number that you were given when you applied for your card. It should be the last 4 digits of your phone number unless you have changed it. Once you log in, you will be brought to the Pines homepage. Here is where you can search the Pines catalog, view your checkouts, your holds, and your fines. You may also find a digital version of your library card that is scannable inside the library. Back on the home page, under Items Checked Out, you can manage the items that you have out now and renew them straight from the app. If you want to search for an item in our library, go to the search bar. Here is where you can select specific filters to help you with your search. Be sure to first check our library system so that you will receive your items quicker than if they were coming from another Pines library. If Catoosa does not have the items that you are looking for, you may also search through all of the Pines systems. When you have found the item that you're looking for, press the green Place Hold button to place a hold on that item. Then you will need to fill out the information of how you would like to be notified when your hold is ready. If you would like to make sure that your hold is successfully placed, you can go to your holds list on the main menu and make sure that your hold appears there. This is also where you can cancel a hold if you no longer want them. And that is how to use the Pines app. Please contact us if you have any more questions. We'd be happy to help.